Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to become a web developer in 2023. The web development industry is constantly evolving, and with the increasing demand for web developers, now is the perfect time to get into this field. In this video, I'll walk you through the skills you need, the best way to learn, and how to land your first job as a web developer. Part 1. Skills required to become a web developer. To become a web developer in 2023, there are certain skills you'll need to acquire. These skills include proficiency in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Additionally, you should also have a good understanding of server-side technologies like databases and server-side scripting languages like PHP or Node.js. Proficiency in HTML. HTML is the foundation of every website, and it's essential that you have a strong understanding of HTML. You should know how to create web pages, structure content, and use semantic HTML elements to improve accessibility and search engine optimization. Proficiency in CSS. CSS is used to style web pages, and it's important that you have a good understanding of CSS. You should know how to style elements, use responsive design to create websites that work on all devices, and use CSS preprocessors like Sass or Less. Proficiency in JavaScript. JavaScript is the programming language of the web, and it's essential that you have a good understanding of it. You should know how to use JavaScript to create interactive web applications, manipulate the DOM, and make asynchronous requests to APIs. Understanding of server-side technologies. While front-end development is important, you also need to have a good understanding of server-side technologies. This includes understanding how to work with databases, use server-side scripting languages like PHP or Node.js, and work with APIs. Familiarity with web development frameworks. Web development frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue are used to build complex web applications. It's important to have a good understanding of at least one web development framework to be competitive in the industry. Knowledge of user experience and responsive design principles. User experience and responsive design are essential for creating websites that are easy to use and work on all devices. You should have a good understanding of user experience principles like information architecture and usability, and how to use responsive design to create websites that work on all devices. Problem solving and critical thinking skills. As a web developer, you'll encounter complex problems that require problem solving and critical thinking skills. You should be able to break down complex problems into smaller, manageable parts and use your programming skills to create solutions. In summary, to become a web developer in 2023, you should have proficiency in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, understand server-side technologies, be familiar with web development frameworks, have knowledge of user experience and responsive design principles, and possess problem-solving and critical thinking skills. Part 2. Best way to learn web development. There are many ways to learn web development. You can learn through online courses, bootcamps, or by self-teaching. Let's go through details of these options. Online courses. There are many online courses available that can teach you web development. Platforms like Udemy, Pluralsight, and Coursera offer structured learning experiences that cover a wide range of topics. You can choose a course that fits your skill level and learning style and learn at your own pace. Web development bootcamps. Bootcamps provide an immersive and intensive learning experience that can teach you web development skills in a short period of time. Bootcamps are typically full-time programs that last for a few weeks to a few months, and they provide hands-on learning opportunities, mentorship, and career support. Self-teaching. Self-teaching is a good option if you prefer to learn at your own pace and on your own terms. There are many resources available online, including blogs, tutorials, and YouTube videos that can help you learn web development. Self-teaching requires discipline and motivation, but it can be a cost-effective way to learn. Practice. Practice is essential for learning web development. You should practice building websites and web applications to reinforce what you've learned. Start by building small projects like a personal website, a blog, or a simple e-commerce site, and gradually work your way up to more complex projects. Join a community. Joining a community of web developers can provide support, mentorship, and opportunities for collaboration. You can attend meetups, join online communities like GitHub or Stack Overflow, and participate in web development forums. Being part of a community can also help you stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in the field. Learn from experienced developers. Learning from experienced web developers can provide valuable insights and tips for success. You can connect with experienced developers through mentorship programs, job shadowing, or by attending conferences and networking events. Experienced developers can also provide guidance on the best tools and resources for learning web development. In summary, the best ways to learn web development include online courses, web development bootcamps, self-teaching, practice, joining a community, and learning from experienced developers. It's important to find a learning method that works for you and to practice regularly to reinforce your skills. Part 3. Building your portfolio. Once you've acquired the necessary skills, it's time to build your portfolio. Choose projects that showcase your skills. Your portfolio should showcase your best work and highlight the skills that you want to be hired for. Choose projects that demonstrate your proficiency in web development tools and technologies and that showcase your ability to solve complex problems. Include a variety of projects. Including a variety of projects in your portfolio can demonstrate your range and versatility as a web developer. Consider including projects that range in complexity and that showcase different aspects of web development, such as front-end development, back-end development, or user experience design. Provide context for each project in your portfolio, including the goals of the project, the problem it solved, and your role in the project. This can help potential employers understand your thought process and your approach to problem solving. Use clean and modern design. Your portfolio should be well designed and visually appealing. Use a clean and modern design that highlights your projects and makes it easy for potential employers to navigate your portfolio. Optimize for performance. Your portfolio should be optimized for performance and load quickly. Use best practices for optimizing web performance, including compressing images, minifying code, and using content delivery networks. Make it easy for potential employers to contact you by including your email address and social media profiles in your portfolio. You can also include a contact form to make it easy for employers to reach out to you. Your portfolio should be up to date and reflect your current skills and experience. Regularly update your portfolio with new projects and remove older projects that no longer showcase your skills. In summary, building a strong portfolio as a web developer requires choosing projects that showcase your skills, including a variety of projects, providing context for each project, using a clean and modern design, optimizing for performance, making it easy to contact you, and keeping your portfolio up to date. A strong portfolio can help you stand out to potential employers and increase your chances of landing a job in web development. Part 4. Landing your first job as a web developer. When it comes to landing your first job as a web developer, there are a few things you can do to increase your chances. Develop a strong portfolio. A strong portfolio can showcase your skills and help you stand out to potential employers. Choose projects that demonstrate your proficiency in web development tools and technologies and highlight your problem-solving skills. Apply for entry-level positions. Apply for entry-level positions that match your skills and experience. Look for junior web developer roles, internships, or apprenticeships that can help you gain experience and build your skills. Network with other web developers. Networking with other web developers can provide valuable connections and insights into the industry. Attend meetups, conferences, and other events to connect with other developers and learn about job opportunities. Participating in coding challenges can help you sharpen your skills and gain exposure to potential employers. Look for coding challenges online or participate in coding challenges sponsored by companies or organizations. Be proactive in your job search by reaching out to potential employers, sending follow-up emails, and asking for feedback on your job applications. A proactive attitude can demonstrate your enthusiasm and dedication to your work. Be open to learning new skills and technologies that can help you land a job as a web developer. Stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in the industry and continue to practice and build your skills. Prepare for interviews. Prepare for interviews by researching the company, practicing common interview questions, and reviewing your portfolio and past projects. A well-prepared interview can demonstrate your professionalism and dedication to your work. In summary, landing your first job as a web developer requires developing a strong portfolio, applying for entry-level positions, networking with other web developers, participating in coding challenges, being proactive, being open to learning, and preparing for interviews. With dedication and hard work, you can land your first job as a web developer and begin a fulfilling career in web development. Conclusion: becoming a web developer in 2023 is a great career choice with plenty of opportunities. With the right skills and a strong portfolio, you can land your first job as a web developer and start your career in web development. Remember, it's important to continuously learn and keep up with the latest web development trends to stay competitive in the field. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.